Some people struggle to make shawarma, but I'm telling you for free that shawarma is one of the easiest snacks to make. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bake with Apex, and in today's video, we'll be teaching you how to make your shawarma in a simple, extraordinary, and yummiest way. So join me, let's go. So after cutting your chicken breast, you have to marinate it, spice it properly, and marinate it in a very good way with every other spices that's available to you. Then from that chicken breast, you continue the process. Enjoy the rest of the video. Wow, this is what we have. So thank you for watching our video. I know you'll be trying this, so don't forget to give it a try. Also, do like, share, subscribe, and to our returning subscriber, I want to say a very big thank you for watching. Thank you all. Like, share, and also subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.